The fourth Roadmap Conference in Portland, Oregon, in May, brings together over 1,000 diverse stakeholders, including government agencies, fleet managers, OEMs, charging companies, and offers very practical, hands-on learning.
Fourth is a nonprofit organization that works to electrify everything that moves. And we do that by bringing together the entire ecosystem that's involved in that work, and finding solutions that reduce barriers to access. So our partners include electric utilities, car companies, charging companies, consulting firms, fleet operators, really local and state and federal government agencies, really anybody who's involved in this new business model. The fourth Roadmap Conference is happening in Portland, Oregon, May 15th through 17th. And it's really our signature event of the year. And I would say the premier electric vehicle and electric mobility conference in the country right now. It brings together well over 1,000 stakeholders from across the country, from a real diverse array of backgrounds, government agencies, charging companies, car companies, fleet managers, you name it. And really what's unique about this event are a couple of things. One is that diversity. So if we're talking, for example, about how to address charging challenges for your fleet, we're not just talking to fleet managers or charging companies, we're also pulling in electric utilities and government agencies that provide incentives for charging, and government agencies that are permitting charging, and advocacy groups and neighborhood groups that want to see fleets electrify. So all of those stakeholders talking to one another and really digging into problems. And that's the second thing that's unique about Roadmap is it's very practical and hands-on. This is not an academic or technical event. This is really a problem-solving event where folks are looking for best practices and solutions that work in the real world.